So if you want to know how that Kash Patel hearing took place earlier today, I'll save you some time. It was nothing but a distraction and smokescreens from the beginning. And Kash Patel was asked about, the Epstein files, and he actually put a little bit of Epstein in his statement. Nothing about what they're doing now, for the most part, but talking back to 2006. Listen to this garbage and distraction that Kash Patel spewed to the American people today.
Now, I know that there's a lot of talk about Epstein, and I'm here to testify that the original sin in the Epstein case was the way it was initially brought by Mr. Acosta back in 2006. The original case involved a very limited search warrant or set of search warrants and didn't take as much investigatory material as it should have seized. If I were the FBI director then, it wouldn't have happened. The search warrants were limited to small time periods to include 2002 to 2005 and 1997 to 2001. Mr. Acosta allowed Epstein to enter in 2008 to a plea and non-prosecution agreement, which then the courts issued mandates and protective orders legally prohibiting anyone from ever seeing that material ever again without the permission of the court. The non-prosecution agreements also barred future prosecutions for those involved at that time of those individuals. Still, this administration, at the direction of President Trump, has done more to turn over all the credible information we are legally able to do so, and we will continue to work with Congress to achieve that end.
That's a lie. Kash Patel is lying to the American people, and you see, he doesn't want to talk about how he handled it or how Pam Bondi is handling it. If they wanted to today, they can release the overwhelming majority of the files. They could retract the victims' names. You wouldn't need a judge order on this, and they could do it. Kash Patel is lying to you. They attempted to release less than 3% of the files, knowing that a judge would not allow it. But if they wanted to release everything and unseal everything and release it to the American people, they could do it right now. I think we all know the reason why they're not doing it, because they're all covering for Donald Trump.